How to make film poster like this. Let's get started. Add image. Click select. Click subject. Click selection tool. Press Ctrl+J. Click fill and adjustment layer. Click gradient map. Choose gradient. Right click. Click create clipping mask. Open layer style. Click blend mode. Choose dissolve. Channels untick R. Fill opacity 65%. Click OK. Add building image. Adjust size. Click blend mode. Choose darker color. Right click. Click merge layers. Add image. Adjust image. Open layer style. Channels untick R. Click OK. Add image. Adjust image. Click blend mode. Choose subtract. Click text. Write text. Adjust size. Select all layers. Right click. Click merge layers. Click fill and adjustment layer. Click color lookup. Choose your favorite LUT. Poster is done.